Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make brown sugar and osmanthus honey Lotus root stuffed glutinous rice. Hope you all like it. First, prepare some glutinous rice and soak it for one night. This is what the glutinous rice looks like after soaking. Now prepare a fresh Lotus root and peel it. Cut the head and the bottom of it. Stuff the glutinous rice into the holes of the Lotus root. Use toothpicks to connect the head and the bottom back to the Lotus root. It looks kind of like a cute robot, right? Prepare the pan and add some water to it. Put the Lotus root into the pan. We also need to add the brown sugar cube. And for red dates, we first use a big fire to boil the water, then switch to small fire to cook for 1 hour. Remove the cover. Now it is cooked. Get the Lotus root out from the pan and cut it into slices. Put them onto a plate and add some osmanthus honey onto the top. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to reply to you once I see the comment. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys in the next episode.